amigos, I am Lorenzo from BroodMinder, and today we are visiting JGS, a family-owned company here in the north of Portugal. They are building hives, and you will see how amazing it is. They are taking the trees, they are making the hive. We will meet Guilherme, who is in the board of this family-owned business, and he will walk us through the whole factory, showing us every step of hive production. So here we go. Hello, Guilherme. How are you doing?
Always a pleasure to see you.
We are super happy to be here. We are in the north of Portugal, as I was saying. We are meeting you and this amazing company, a hive manufacturing company. We've never seen that before. See all those trees, which is already very impressive. So can you explain us your story?
First of all, thank you for coming. It's definitely our pleasure to have your team, to have you here with us after this long-standing relationship. Here we are in our factory. It's not only a factory of the hives, but we also have the first transformation into the manufacturing process. You know that we turn these trunks into the hives, but in our 82 years of history, we started by making wooden boxes for fruit and vegetables, and only later we adapt our process to start doing what made us together somehow, which is wooden hive recycle.
So this wood, where it is coming from?
This wood comes mainly from Portugal, but also from Galicia.
Okay, so this zone here is
around area, and that's one of the reasons why this company is so important in this region, is because we are adding value to natural resource in our region, pine wood, using local labor hands in a poor region of our country. So though the small medium size of our company, we are here with over 60 people working in a daily basis throughout the year. So we are
60 persons.
Yeah. So we are adding a lot of value here to our region.
So this company was founded by your
great
grandfather.
Yeah.
Fourth
I'm here
generation.
representing the fourth generation, exactly. I joined the company in 2022, a little bit after having met you in France, by the way. Exactly. And since then, we are growing not only in beekeeping but also in the other units. But beekeeping is my main passion, let's say, here in this project.
So now you will walk us through the different facilities, and you will see how this raw wood, which is a pine, indeed, just a trunk of pine, you are converting it step by step into a beehive, or many different kinds of beehives, but
Of course.
And
you wanna go?
Let's go to see. Okay, good. So here we have 3,000 tons of pine
In our warehouse. This year we need around 25,000 tons of wood for our project. cutting machine is running by the person. The separator for the frame. And like that.